Hi guys! This is Puting Buhangin, one of the popular destinations here in Padre Burgos. Earlier I went to Borawan, later on to Dalmapitan Beach. Now that is the Cuevang Lampas, and again this is Puting Buhangin. From Barangay Marao I took a boat, and the boat ride is for 40 to 45 minutes. How do you go to this place? You start from Manila. From Manila you're going to ride a bus. The bus ride is for 3 to 4 hours. You're going to alight at Lucena Grand Terminal. From Lucena Grand Terminal you're going to ride another minibus. The bus ride is now 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then you're going to alight at Barangay Marao, look for Aling Tesi or Mangudi. Then you're going to hire the boat. If you're going to go to the 3 islands, namely Dalmapitan, Borawan, and Puting Buhangin, the total cost is around 1,800 pesos. Now, this is my second stop for today. It took me 45 minutes to reach this spot. Again, Puting Buhangin and Cuevang Lampas. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in Puting Buhangin. Bye guys!